Well, as the Standard Bank nears its own goal, Kent, to be a platform business entirely by 2025, what are some of the learnings and things that you've picked up along the way that you can share with others?
Thanks, Toby. So we've made great progress on our journey to becoming a platform organization. And it's a journey. I don't think it's a destination. It takes a lot of effort and time to get there. At the heart of it, we remain committed to serving our clients, helping them meet their ever-expanding needs. We will therefore support our clients and offer services that go beyond traditional financial services. To achieve this, we've adopted a three-pronged approach. Firstly, we will embed financial service products like payments in other people's platforms. We'll then create a marketplace for our services and third-party services. And finally, we'll look to create specific platform ventures focusing on specific client needs and specific client segments. Although the journey will always be tough, we have found that there are several things that you can do to help drive the adoption of a platform business. Firstly, senior leadership is vital. Senior leadership buy-in determines not only the prioritization of the initiative and the funding awarded to it, but also the extent to which other stakeholders across the organization engage to support the success of that initiative. There are several ways to get buy-in from leaders. Firstly, framing the platform initiative within the overall goals and business strategy. It needs to be a core part of the broader strategy that we're trying to achieve. Platform initiatives also require a longer-term investment horizon. So it's key to de-risk the business case by deploying initial pilots into the market. Educate the executives and tailor your message to them. It needs to be personalized so that they can truly understand what it is you're trying to achieve. Next, you need to ensure the alignment on how to measure success of the platform initiative. Most platform businesses require significant upfront investment to mobilize the ecosystem. This investment often comes with a longer horizon as the business validates its initial use cases, builds critical mass, and starts to scale the platform venture via network effect. Ultimately, it will create and then share value amongst the various participants within the platform. This longer time horizon makes it difficult to define the right measures upfront. Financial metrics are easily understood by bankers and other financial service providers, but when a platform business is just getting started, it's difficult to measure value creation by financial metrics alone. These need to be complemented with non-financial metrics to support the platform growth. In addition, you need to create the right business architecture to support innovation at scale. Ideally, you're looking to enable distributed innovation with strategic coordination. By creating shared services, a set of standardized modular services that are reused as building blocks across many products, you can support this. The organization structure should also be agile and responsive. This can be done by creating small teams across the organization to operate independently as loosely coupled units with the level of central coordination. These small autonomous innovation teams are able to solve problems by being close to the customer, while also ensuring solutions are developed, are standardized and reusable by other parts of the business.
Indeed, and I mean it's crucial that management buys in, that the leadership is deeply involved, because it's not enough if you set all of these ambitions, but the leadership is not on board. They aren't investing in long-term goals and setting KPIs and milestones as the progress continues, and they aren't investing in the infrastructure or aren't willing to take risks. You've got to embrace all of these risk-taking behaviors, don't you?
No, 100%, Toby.